Number 10, Bank of America, the second biggest U.S. bank by assets, eclipsed $10 a share yesterday. It was for the first time since July 2011, cementing its status as this year's best performer on the Dow. Dom?
Well, number 9, Betty, is Costco. Shares of the big box retailer are set to open lower today, and markedly so, as they begin their first day of trading without the right to own that $7 share special dividend that Costco is planning on paying out ahead of any potential U.S. tax increases associated with the fiscal cliff, Matt.
Number 8 is Facebook. Tensions between the world's largest social network and rival Twitter are rising as Facebook's photo sharing service, Instagram, is making it harder for users to display pictures on Twitter, according to the microblogging site.
And Matt, at number 7 is Lockheed Martin, the world's biggest defense contractor, close to winning Pentagon backing to build 29 F-35 fighters planned for the coming fiscal year after facing postponements over development setbacks and rising costs. However, the fiscal cliff is looming over that stock, Julie.
Well, I'm taking a look at number 6, which is Sirius XM Radio. It's issuing a special 5-cent a share dividend, one of very many companies doing this now ahead of those looming potential tax changes next year. Sirius also planning a $2 billion buyback. Market value, by the way, is up over 50% this year. Matt?
Number 5 is UPS. Sources tell us it's proposed concessions in about half of the countries in the European Union as it seeks to win approval for its $6 billion bid for TNT Express. UPS has pushed back the target date twice for this deal, which would be its biggest acquisition in 105 years, its entire history. Betty?
And we go overseas to Deutsche Bank for our number 4 stock. The German lender is facing allegations by 3 former employees that the company covered up paper losses during the financial crisis. The Financial Times is reporting this. The bank is accused of inflating the value of derivatives to avoid showing $12 billion in losses.
Well, number 3, Betty, is Freeport. Macron, its $9 billion bet on the Gulf of Mexico has hurt investors as shares continue to fall in the pre-market after dropping 16% yesterday. BlackRock, which has an 8% stake in Freeport here, questioned the strategy, saying investors should be able to vote on this particular set of deals, Julie.
Well, Zynga is taking a different kind of gamble. The online game maker filed an application with the Nevada Gaming Control Board to step towards operating real money gambling sites in the state. Of course, Zynga is seeking new areas of growth. That's because it has seen slowing sales. Remember, dissolved its exclusive relationship with Facebook.
And staying in technology for your number 1, Apple. Shares of the world's most valuable company took a hit yesterday, a big hit, seeing their largest drop in nearly 4 years on concerns that the iPad and the iPhone could be and is losing market share.